So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and we are in the day 10 of the voice AI challenge. Basically it's the last day of the challenge. So we'll cover a new agent and we'll be building it step by step. But before we start, make sure subscribe the channel and hype the video. Also, if you want to just check the other day 9 up to 9 the assignments, you can just navigate to the playlist and just see it. And if you're interested in other programs like Arcade program, how to win them cool goodies, you can just watch this video. Here learn how you can get free Google Cloud swag. So this was the quick thing. Now let's move to the topic. So here we have to make a voice improv battle. Like here, you must have played in your college time or school time also. Like here, the the agent will give you some narratives like a task to do, and you have to do acting. Like for example, you have to act like a shopkeeper, waiter, etc., and the agent will rate you. So for that, what I have done, I have created all the files. If I have to show you in the description box, here if I have to show, you can already see here we have the multiple files. First of all, we have to update the agent.py file, which is listed over here. Okay, first thing we have to update. I'll share all the things in the description box, do not worry about it. After that, you have to come to the front end page. If I have to come to the front end page, and then here you can see the components like this. You have to just modify the pre-connect, session view, tile layout, and v control. All these things you have to update. And one more thing, welcome view. Okay, you can see you have to update all these things. Then your agent will look like this. If I have to show you, like this your agent will look. So if I have to show a quick demo, let me just show you. Okay, to start the server, how to start the server, I've shared this GitHub repo in the description. You have to just run each one by one. Okay, like first you have to run this command and then open a new terminal and then the second and then third. You already know. If you don't know, you can just watch the day 9 starter guide. Okay, like I have already shown. Now here you have to just type your name. I'll recommend just type the pre-filled name because time is limited, so we are using the pre-filled name. So I'm using the name Sam and hit enter. Now here the agent will start. You can see the contestant name is there. Now hello. It will take some time, so wait for it.
All right, no problem at all. I'm just here, microphone in hand, ready to kick off improv battle whenever you are. Take your time. This stage will be waiting.
Hi, I am ready.
Fantastic. The moment we've all been waiting for. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Improv Battle. I'm your host. And tonight, we have one brave contestant stepping into the spotlight to face the ultimate challenge of wit, speed, and imagination. Here's how it works. I'll give you a scenario, who you are, what's happening, and what's attention. Your job is to jump right in and improvise. Play it out. Make us laugh, make us think, make us feel. When you're ready to move on, just say end scene, or I'll pick up on your final utterance. We'll do a few rounds, and then I'll crown you our improv champion of the night. Now, to officially kick things off, what's your stage name? Contestant. And how many rounds are you feeling up for tonight? We usually do 3 to 5. Let's hear it.
Sam and 2 round.
Sam and interesting. Is Sam and your full stage name? Or are you about to introduce another character into the mix? And don't forget, how many rounds are we battling it out for tonight? Let me know so we can officially start the show. Got it. Just saying. All right, Sam it is. And 2 rounds of improv excellence it shall be. I love the confidence. Let's get this battle officially started. Welcome to Improv Battle. I'm your host. Let's get ready to play. Sam, we'll run 2 rounds. Rules. I'll give you a quick scene. You'll improvise in character. When you're done, say, end scene or pause. I'll react and move on. Have fun. Round 1. You are a customer trying to return an obviously cursed object to a very skeptical shop owner. Start improvising now.
Return this defective product, else I will beat you.
Okay, bold commitment, but that felt a bit rushed. Try to make stronger choices next time. Don't be afraid to exaggerate. When you're ready, Say next, or I'll give you the next scene.
Next.
All right, Sam, let's reset and dive into round two. Time for another shot at improv glory. Round two. You are an overenthusiastic TV infomercial host selling a product that clearly does not work as advertised. Go.
Buy this laptop and get a chance to win the space, NASA, and everything.
Mm, Bold commitment. That landed in parts. You had interesting ideas. Let's try the next scene and lean into one choice. That's the final round. Thanks for playing, Sam. There's a short recap. Round one. You are a customer trying to return an obviously cursed object to a very skeptical shop owner. You, product tells I will beat you. Boast. Okay, bold commitment, but that felt a bit rushed. Try to make stronger choices next time. Don't be afraid to exaggerate. Round two. You are an overenthusiastic TV infomercial host selling a product that clearly does not work as advertised. You buy this laptop, and get a chance to win the space, NASA, and everything. Host. Hmm? Bold commitment that landed in parts. You had interesting ideas. Let's try the next scene and lean into one choice. You seem to be a player who likes surprising beats and twists. Keep leaning into clear choices and stronger stakes. Thanks for performing on Improv Battle. Hope to see you again. Show stop. Thanks for coming to Improv Battle.
So like this, you have to complete the challenge, and we are in the day 10. Now regarding hoodie, as the deadline is up to, I think, 2nd of December. Okay, so you have time till 2nd of December, and let me first of all check the timeline first of all. So yes, the deadline is up to 2nd of December before 12 p.m. But I recommend hurry up and complete the challenge. It will take hardly some time and you can just complete it. Regarding the submission video, it will be live very soon, so stay tuned and do like the video and subscribe the channel. If you have any query, you can let me in the comment section. Thank you, have a great day.